Is it really possible to turn $2 to $20 simply by trading meme coin or simply by trading newly launched tokens on Dex Screener on your Phantom wallet? So work with me, let me show you how possible this is. If you're coming across the channel for the first time, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We come up with tutorials on how to trade cryptocurrency in general. So consider subscribing so that you wouldn't miss our subsequent videos like this. So basically, in order to get started, you will need to pick a particular cryptocurrency that you will be using to do all of this. And in order to pick the cryptocurrency, we will be making use of Dex Screener. You all know how Dex Screener works. So right here on Dex Screener, if you're just opening Dex Screener for the first time, you get to realize that there will be like hundreds, if not thousands, of cryptocurrency. So you probably need to make some changes to it so it can suit the strategy I'm about to show you. Simply by just changing the trending to 6 hours. By default, it is going to be on 24 hours or thereabout. So make sure that it is switched to 6 hours, trending 6 hours. And we will also make some changes to these filters down below here. Those filters are very necessary. The first one there, which is all chains, you will need to change it to Solana. This is very one here. So you probably need to click on it and switch it up to Solana. If you're just opening it for the first time, it is going to be shown as all chains, like I've said. So switching it up to Solana is going to help you to only be dealing with the tokens that are on the Solana ecosystem. And thereafter, you need to scroll to the right hand side and make some changes to the liquidity. We'll be using a minimum liquidity of about 50,000. Liquidity is also very important. And also we will make some changes to the volume. The volume is right here. The volume is going to help us know how often the buyers and the sellers is in the markets. A minimum volume range of about 500,000. And after then, lastly, we will make a typical pH of about maximum 2 hours. So those are all what we're going to be using to achieve this. Let me wait for the interface to pretty much open up so we can see how the cryptocurrency looks like. This will enable us to know what to do exactly. So stick around. So now that the cryptocurrency interface has been opened up, we will need to pick any cryptocurrency from here. And the way I do advise people to pick is by looking at the market cap. Always try to go for the ones that has lower market cap, because lower market cap has probability of going up pretty much, but higher market caps coins, you know they have probability of going down. Like the probability of it going down is higher than the probability of it going back up. So try to look for the one that is still very low with some decent volume and liquidity. Then you can potentially wait for it to like go up for your profit to accumulate, or for the outcome to be reasonable. So for the aspect of this video, let's go for this very one. It looks pretty good. As you can see, 46 market cap, 520k volume, liquidity of 56,000. This is pretty much very good for starters. Do not go too high so that you wouldn't get trapping on any sort of like exit liquidity, because majority of these guys want to use you as exit liquidity, so don't try to fall for it. So you will need to copy the contracts. I had to really point that out there. This contract will enable us to know where to start from. So after copying the contract from desk screener, you click on the search bar at the bottom right corner there and search for desk screener. We are going to be using desk screener to now buy the token pretty much. A lot of people do use like Radium, we have Jupiter, we have Pop.Fun, but it all lies on your personal preference. Me, I prefer using desk screener in most cases because of how fast it is. So this shouldn't take longer. It should pretty much open up so we can know how this is going to work. And keep in mind, I'm not telling you to do exactly what I'm doing in this video, okay? This has to do more with understanding how the market works and understanding the basic about cryptocurrency in general. So if you don't understand anything, try to do a thorough research before engaging in this, because there are some potential risks involved here, and you shouldn't take my word for it. Always try to conduct your research as well before taking any decision based off of your finances. So let me now click on this search button. This will enable me to like now press the token right there, and I'm going to now wait for the token to come up pretty much. And here you go. All I'm going to be doing is to click on it. The first result is the token itself, so I'm going to have to click on it. And as you can see, the market cap now is at 44,000. Let us quickly buy it and wait for the market cap to increase to like 100k or more than that for our profit to come. So when clicking on buy, you're going to put in the amount of Solana you intend to use in doing this. Let's use about 0.02, which is going to cost us 0.02 is going to be around 1.7, 1.5, $1.6. So let's use 0.03, which is about 2.4, and then I'm going to click on buy, and the slippage is about 5. So right now, all I'm going to be doing is to buy it again. The previous one did not go through. The network is pretty bad over here. So let me try to do it again. And I'm going to put in 0.03, and then I'll click on process. And there should be a pop-up screen showing the confirmation message with the network fee and every other thing. The fee is pretty low though. The network was successfully okay, and the transaction went through. And if I should head over to the home page, you get to realize that the token should now reflect on our home page. This will enable us to know the status of it and the price. So let's keep refreshing for the arrival, and it should take less than no time to come up. I think the token is not coming up, but there's something I will need to check, because I feel like the token should be here by default. If the token is not there, we should now head over to like sell for an instant and see. And let me put in about 100% there. The token is there, and it is about 45,892 quantity. It should pretty much just come up to the page. But anyways, let us try to activate it simply by clicking on this icon. There is an icon I will need to click on at the top right corner. If the token is not coming up, you probably click on that icon and scroll till you find the token. The token in this case is starting with an alphabet C. So here you go. I'm going to now activate it simply by clicking on that button. It should pretty much come onto the page, and here you go. Here is it now. So all I'm going to be doing is to wait. The price is still within 2 point something, 2.6 something, 62 or 61. So all I'm going to be doing pretty much is to wait for the increase to happen. Okay, we're going to be waiting for like a couple of minutes, probably like 30 minutes or thereabout, or probably like an hour. You never can tell. Let's see the outcome of it. And do also like the video if you're watching up to this moment. It really mean a lot. It will really mean a lot for you. So after like couple of minutes, probably like less than 1 hour for me, there was an increase to about 2x. That was pretty okay, and the strategy is effective. The previous one gave us 2x as well, so this same one is still at 2x, so we should be able to now retain the profit. This will enable us to like look for another token. But although there is still possibility of this token going to like 200k market cap, you never can tell. But right now it is at 95,000 market cap. So that's pretty okay, due to the fact that we only had to wait for 1 hour or thereabout, and um it was all good for us during the course of the waiting. So we should sell the entire 45,892, and that should go through within few minutes. And that's pretty much it. If you're interested in getting my mentorship in meme coin trading specifically, okay, send a DM to my WhatsApp number. The link or my WhatsApp number is going to be in the description below. This will enable me to like show you all of this in detail, and also get you through all steps that you do not seem to understand, and I'll be giving you signals as well along the line.